Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a glider on Xbox. Gliding offers a fantastic way to cover vast distances quickly and safely in many games. It provides a strategic advantage, allowing you to survey the terrain from above and reach otherwise inaccessible areas. We will cover the fundamental steps to get you airborne and soaring through the virtual skies with ease. Get ready to elevate your gameplay experience. To deploy your glider, simply jump from a high point and press the designated action button, which is typically O or X on your Xbox controller. Once airborne, use the left analog stick to control your direction, guiding your flight path. The right analog stick usually adjusts your camera view. Remember to make small, precise movements for smooth and controlled gliding. Practice makes perfect for navigating the skies. For extended flights, master the art of catching up drafts. These invisible currents can significantly boost your altitude and prolong your time in the air. Keep an eye out for environmental indicators like rising smoke or specific wind effects. When landing, aim for a gentle, controlled descent. Try to reduce your speed and approach your target at a shallow angle for a perfect, soft touchdown every time. To truly master gliding, consistent practice is key. Spend time experimenting with different launch points and flight paths across the map. Some games offer various glider types, each with unique handling characteristics, so try them all. Understanding the terrain will help you identify the best spots for deployment and safe landings. With a little dedication, you will soon be a master of the skies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.